Carmel Highlands California. Install Liftmasters LA 400 PKGUs to some swing out biparting doors. Hit the button here and open the doors for you. Install the control panel in the wall. You'll notice it has the UL 325 safety infrareds for 2016. And we're going to walk out to a beautiful view here in Carmel today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the doors here. Here we go. Doors are closing. Not quite finished yet. Stainless steel's going on them. Another awesome job by Liftmaster, and another satisfied customer here today in Carmel Highlands, California.